Set the humidity and timer controls on a Panasonic WhisperChoice Auto exhaust fan by accessing the internal knobs and adjusting them to your preferred sensitivity and runtime. Open the grill and remove the fan body from the housing to expose the control knobs located on the side of the motor assembly. The humidity control is a rotary knob usually marked with percent values or a humidity icon. Rotate it clockwise to increase sensitivity up to 80% so the fan will run when relative humidity reaches that level. The timer control is a separate rotary knob that determines how long the fan continues after humidity falls below the threshold. Set it by turning clockwise to lengthen the runtime in intervals, commonly from 30 seconds to 20 minutes, depending on the model. Before reinstalling the grill, simulate conditions by breathing or using a damp cloth near the sensor area while watching the fan engage, and then time its shutoff to verify the settings match your expectations. If the fan fails to respond, check that power is off before reseating connectors and ensure the knobs are not loose or broken, which can cause inconsistent behavior. After confirming correct operation, reassemble the unit carefully, making sure the grill snaps back securely and the fan is properly seated to avoid vibration noise. Common mistakes include assuming the knobs are behind the grill rather than on the motor assembly, which leads to incomplete adjustment. Fix this by fully removing the fan from its housing before searching for controls. Another issue is setting the humidity too low so the fan runs continuously and wastes energy. Set the humidity higher, for example around 60 to 80% in very damp climates, then raise or lower in small steps while testing. A third frequent problem is misjudging the timer, so the fan stops too soon or runs too long. Choose a moderate timer setting and test with the simulated humidity change and adjust by small increments until the off delay feels right. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work through project leads and listings. Our site also includes an active discussion community where we and other users exchange tips, ask questions, and share real experiences about installations, settings, and troubleshooting.